Listen, people, we all have messages to give the world, but sometimes we get scared to speak because we fear being labeled a hypocrite. See, for the longest time, I had something to say, but kept quiet because I knew there was no way I could physically embody what I was saying verbally. But then I realized that sometimes the best way to learn is to teach, and that if I'm willing to embody my personal flaws, I separate myself from those who simply preach. See, we live in a world where we expect our role models to be perfect, only to label them worthless when they can't live up to the role they were cursed with. And what's worse is, we've closed our eyes to the distinction of humanity, which is the fact that we remain perfectly imperfect. Listen, we become what we constantly say and do. And right now I'm telling you that if you're willing to put your message out into the world, not only will it help others, but it will change you too. So speak.